As the sun rose over the quiet village, 6-year-old Aarav stood at the edge of a golden wheat field. The morning light made the hills shine. Aarav smiled as the soft breeze touched his face. His day began in the barn, where sunlight came through the wooden walls. Aarav helped his father feed 2 cows. Next, he went to the chicken coop. Hens clucked and moved around as Aarav gently picked up eggs and placed them in basket. Later, under big tree, Aarav sat on a mat with his mother and father. His mother gave him a warm paratha. His father smiled and watched him. The wind felt fresh and peaceful. In the afternoon, something strange happened in the garden. Some plants were trampled and flowers were broken. "Oh no," his mother said. Aarav saw small footprints on the ground. He followed them and found their mischievous goat munching on vegetables. Aarav laughed and chased after him. Aarav and goat ran through the meadow. Aarav laughed loudly as the goat jumped and played beside him. As the sun began to set, Aarav gently led goat back to the barn. The light was golden, and the hills looked soft and far away. That evening, Aarav sat with his parents. The sky turned orange and pink. Fireflies began to shine. They sat together, quiet and happy. Before bedtime, Aarav walked back to the wheat field. He stood still, hands in his pockets, looking at the hills. The wind moved gently through the grass. It had been a simple day, filled with love, fun, and little adventures.